honor for me tonight to welcome you here at the very first official event of Inibos 2019. What a wonderful way to start this festival with an art exhibition which really encompasses what our beautiful country is about. These are the threads and the very fiber of art in South Africa. This year we received an astounding 1,200 entries from all over South Africa. This competition is the only platform on which craft is acknowledged, the only platform on which excellence in skill in all craft forms are celebrated and prizes are awarded. The winners of the competition for 2019 are Karos with their beautiful embroidery and applique works which are seen just around the corner.
Me as well, I feel so very happy because I'm winning the prizes.
The joint first prize winner is Claire Rothwell with her beautiful chair made of upcycled paper.
I hope it means that there's potential for this kind of artwork in South Africa. This achievement means that there'll be a market for this kind of work.
With the second prize, and this prize goes to Anthony Shapiro and Linda Kuzwayo with their contemporary Delft, which is exhibited, I think, over there.
It means a lot. I never thought that one day I would be standing here winning a prize. It means a lot.
The third prize winner goes to a very interesting work of art which displays tremendous skill. The Kudu Bull skull, created by Yolanda Winfield.
Dit is wonderlik. Uiteindelik.